This is one of my most popular designs, a handcrafted leather pouch for a folding knife. Grass green vegetable tanned leather, contrasted with a bold yellow stitch and finished with a Celtic embossed pattern. Let's start from the beginning. The paper pattern is placed on the hide and traced carefully. I punch the first round holes, then cut the leather along the marked lines with a knife and ruler. The front flap is shaped using a cutting die. Edges are sanded smooth, then beveled to soften the profile. On the inner side, I cut small grooves where the leather will fold. This helps it bend without stress. Openings for rivets and the snap button are punched. Now the color. The leather is dyed in a rich grass green using an airbrush. A stitching line is marked along the edge. A thin strip of leather is cut for the inner lining. The surface is sealed with tan coat for protection. The flesh side is treated with Gum Tragacanth and polished with a glass slicker until smooth and refined. The snap button is installed. The lining is glued in place. Adhesive on both surfaces, pressed together and fixed. Using a stitching chisel, I punch the holes for the seam. The front is sewn with a traditional saddle stitch, strong, durable, made entirely by hand. The back is stitched edge to edge. The thread is tightened carefully, secured with a knot, and the ends are sealed. Rivets are set in place, creating a strong belt loop. And just like that, the pouch takes its final shape. A matching leather cord is added to complete the style. Wrapped in paper. The box is folded and assembled by hand. The pouch goes in, together with a small handwritten card. Now it's ready for its journey.